guys zvakaoma muri kuona izvozvi. So right now what is the time? It's 4:19, 19 after 4. Right, we were going back now to Liverpool to our Airbnb, and we just got closed just where we were supposed to take the short left. We took the right lane. We got closed, guys, to the extent whereby it took us to a very, very long tunnel in Liverpool, somewhere that we don't know. And that's the first time that I've seen a toll gate here, and we had to pay on a toll gate. So I think right now, as you can see, this is the fog. It's too foggy where we are driving, and as you can see, guys, so I think it's taking us back to the tunnel that I've been telling you that it took us into the tunnel. That is, I think, about 2 to 3 miles long. So I'm just gonna document, videoing the tunnel as well. You can see how it is. These are other countries, guys, and right now it's just 4. It's not even 6, it's 4. You can see how dark it is because it's winter time, and the fog in Manchester and Liverpool. I give up, guys. I give up. Okay, since now it's saying we have to make a turn left and make a U-turn, that means we are going back to where we're coming from, to where we got lost. So I'll be showing you the tunnel as well. Stay tuned. Let me continue showing you where this is where we came from. We are now we just went back. We just went back so that we can pay again on that toll gate, and then I don't know.
Take the next left to stay on King Square.
Yeah, I think this way you go. There's a car to pay. That's where you go to pay again. This is the toll gate. It's the first time that I've seen a toll gate here. Then from the toll gate we go to the tunnel. I wanted to see how long is that tunnel, how big is that, and this is auto. Maybe you have to go to attend it. Toll gate. Yeah. Yes, we're going to the tunnel. So this is the tunnel. This is where the tunnel starts, guys. Look at this. This is where the tunnel starts. We are in the tunnel right now. And this tunnel, I think, is under the water. The tunnel is under the water. On top there's water. There's a river up there. There's a dam. There's a dam up there. So this tunnel is under the water. 2 miles long, guys, under the water. Those who are up there, it's the dam. Is it a dam? It's a dam or a river. I don't know, something like that. But we are underwater. Sorry guys, these days I'm speaking English because I'm trying to accommodate our foreign friends that are here. Yeah, we've got our foreign friends who are coming to inbox and saying we want to understand what you are saying, but we don't understand. So I'm just trying to understand. Only when we're doing lives, guys, out speaking our language, our Shona language. But as we are accommodating them, we just try to speak this English, broken English. Yeah, yes. So you see, we are still in the tunnel, guys. We are in the tunnel. The won't be network in this tunnel.
GPS
under the tunnel.
Signal lost.
Yes, you had the GPS signal is lost, but we are still going. You see how long it is? You see how big it is? This tunnel here in Liverpool. So we just made a U-turn because we were lost. Yeah. I guess you're also tired of watching this long tunnel, right? There's a branch also on this tunnel. I saw another road that is going to my left. That means there's a branch also. There's another route going somewhere underneath this tunnel. Right, finally we are out. So I hope we are able to see exactly where we are supposed to be going now.
In 50 yards, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Byram Street, A59.
Yes, we are back, guys. We are back in the traffic. By the way, what is the time right now? It's 16:29. 16:29. That is 29 after 4. 29 after 4. But look, it's already like 9 o'clock because it's winter. So yeah, this is one of
Street, A57.
This is one of the challenges
in a quarter of a
that are here.
Your destination will be on the right.
Oh, okay. Our destination is, we are almost there. We are almost there.
In 100 yards, use the left lane to stay on.